Welcome back to Spend Too Much Diecast. What's going on, crew? Today we have... Alright, from Hollywood Rides, Jada Toys Metals Diecast, we have the Toyota Trueno AE86 and Takumi. Hope I'm saying that right. Alright, this is from Initial D, First Stage. And on the bottom here, we have the 1/24th scale with the figure. And then on the top, we have the 1/32nd scale. And these have been out for a while. Decided to dig through my stash of cars. And this one looked like I wanted to open it next. So this is the one we're going to do. Like I said, this is both the 1/32nd and the 1/24th scale. And let's see, does it say anything on the back? Nope. Just says the information, the car, and the character. So let's go ahead, get this thing opened, and then we will take a closer look at the vehicle, the character, and as usual, we'll compare them. And we are back. Alright. I guess we'll start with the 1/32nd, just because there's going to be more explaining with the 1/24th. So, let's see here. Alright. The 1/32nd box is generic. 24078. Usually they all say that. The correct item number should be on the bottom of the car. 99801. And the ones in the car, or in the box. Now I do know I have seen this one made as a pullback as well. Of course I did not pick it up because I already had the boxed one. So if you do like the pullback versions, you should be able to get them in the pullback version or in the box. If it's in the box, it is not pullback. You would have to find it loose. They usually sell them just like that. Alright. Let's see what we got. Alright, so this is the 1/32nd scale. It should say that down here. There we go. Scale 1/32nd Toyota Trueno. And then that is the AE86, as most of us would reference it by. Alright, 1/32 scale. The body is die cast. The front lip here and bumper is all plastic. It's got paint for the amber lights and the bottom fog lights. It does say Trueno there. The headlights are a clear plastic. Alright, going to the side. It's got the nice traditional white and black paint job with a, alright, what we got there? 2, 4, 6, 8 spoke wheels, rubber tires, and then the back of the door there, it says Trueno. Again, hopefully I am pronouncing that correctly. Alright, open up the passenger side, and the inside is just all plastic, no accents. And how the door jambs look. Not too bad. A little bit of paint missing on the sides. Looks like they're getting a little bit better at painting those door jambs. Back wheel. Okay, this bottom part is die cast. It does have a little mud flap on it. Those are plastic as well. Looks like they're casted to the base of the vehicle. Alright, going to the back. Alright, let's let that focus. Alright, we got Apex Twin Cam 16. And it's got the Trueno again, Toyota logo, and the initial D logo is the license plate. The back taillights are red, clear plastic. And this one seems a little loose. Oh, that one's not. Might have to throw a little bit of glue in there. Alright, the bumper is, feels like it is die cast. Seems like it's all one casting. And then the muffler here is plastic. Alright, and then the driver's side. There's your Trueno. And then the Chinese writing, which I have no idea what it means. If you guys know what that means, go ahead and leave it in the comment down below. I remember watching Initial D a little bit when I was a kid. Don't remember too much of it anymore. It was a while back. Alright, the passenger or driver side, since this is right-hand drive, just the normal plastic casting, no extras. Alright, so there is the 1/32. Oh, and look, this one does have side mirrors. Not all the castings have it. Alright, so for the 1/32, nice detail if you do not have room for the bigger ones. But let's take a look at this one now. Alright, so I guess we'll start with the character. Alright, now like I said, I probably butchered his name earlier, but it's what, Takumi Takumi. Like I said, I don't remember how to pronounce all their names. Alright, so this is about a 2.5-inch figure. And I mean, this thing is pretty detailed. I mean, you can see his face, everything. Nice blue jacket, white shirt, makes it look like blue jeans, and then the white shoes. Like I said, these do not bend or anything. They are a solid die-cast figure. And does it have an item number on it? No, it does have an item number on it. I don't know if we can read it or not. Let me see. It says item number 99838. And then all the copyright information's on there. So there is the figure. Like I said, it's about 2.5 inches, solid die cast, and the detail on him looks really good. Alright, now we'll check out the item number for the vehicle. Alright, the box now is saying 99733. And I don't know if that matches the vehicle because this is the one with the character. Nope, see now this one's different. This one's saying 30087. And I'm pretty sure you can buy the vehicle without the character. They sell them, I believe they sell them 2 different ways, with the character and without. So here it is. I don't know if it's probably the same vehicle and everything. They just add the character. Right, so this one's saying scale 1/24 Toyota Trueno, and then just says this vehicle body is used with permission. Jada Toys, metals diecast. Very nice. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Alright, we'll start with the front end. Alright, now this one is a lot more detailed. Alright, it actually has clear plastic for the yellow lenses, the amber lenses, and the headlights. And the headlights here are actually popped open a little bit. Actually all the way. And do they close and open? They do not. So that is just a solid casting. They don't move or anything. And then it's got the Trueno and the initial D as the license plate. And my light's a little crooked. But that's okay, because he was probably drifting. Alright, it's got a little bit, it's also got the clear amber for the corner light. Alright, what do we got here for rims? 2, 4, 6, 8. Another 8-spoke with rubber tires. And everything is casted, die cast. The front, the only thing that it was is the grill. The insert grill is plastic. And the mud flaps on this one are actually die cast. They are molded to the body, not to the base. And there is your side. There's the Trueno. Black for the door jambs. The side mirrors are black. They are that same rubbery type with the reflective sticker. Oh, and taking a look at the inside, looks like it's just all black again. No accents. Alright, going to the back. Alright, it's got the APEX Twin Cam 16, Toyota Trueno, oh, whatever that says there. Sprinter? Is that an R or an A? I can't tell. Alright, then the initial D license plate. The chrome exhaust is chrome, everything else is die cast, and they do a plastic wiper for the back window. And this hatch, oh, nice. So the hatch does open. So that is cool. I didn't know if it was gonna or not, but the hatch does open and nothing in the trunk. Alright, then the driver's side, it's gonna be the same. Only difference is there is the Chinese or Japanese writing again. And take a look at the driver's side inside. Like I say, no extra chrome. They do have the gauges sticker in the back. Other than that, no accents or anything. Alright, now let's take a look under the hood. And we got... nice. So they just do an all chrome motor. Everything is black casting except for the motor. They just do all chrome. Alright, so there it is. There's the 1/24th. The character kind of compared to the car. So you can see it stands just above the door. So, I mean, scale-wise, pretty accurate. Alright, since we did do both of them, let's do a quick comparison, and then that should be the video. Alright. I mean, there's a lot to compare here, but the 1/24th, as usual, does have a lot more detail. So I will just kind of go over quickly what I spot. They all have the same color for the lights. Only difference is the 1/24th is actually clear lenses rather than just paint. It's got a license plate in the front, and the headlights are open compared to being closed. And I don't know if these are technically closed. You probably shouldn't see the lenses. I think you only see the lenses when they're open. So they probably should have painted that just black instead of having the lenses. Alright, going to the side. Mirrors here are white, these are black. Otherwise everything is pretty much close. Alright, the back is going to be about the same. It's got the amber and red taillights to compare to just all red. It does have a wiper blade on the 1/24th, and that extra word, and a chrome exhaust on the 1/24th. Otherwise, the other side seems to be about the same. So not too bad of a comparison. Like I said, if you don't have the room for the bigger one, the smaller one does good justice. So there we go. There is the Toyota AE86 opened up and unboxed from Jada Toys Metals Diecast with their Hollywood Rides series. So if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join the Spent Too Much Diecast crew. Also hit that bell notification, that way you guys get notified when I put up a new video. Again, just want to give a shout out and a thank you to everybody who watches, likes, subscribes. We are growing at a nice rate, which is great. More people coming along, checking out the diecasts. That's awesome. I still got a lot more to open for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned. And here is another unboxing in the books. So thanks everybody, and we will see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching another video from Spent Too Much Diecast. If you will, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, check out our Facebook page where there are more pictures and information on the vehicle that you have just seen. And also, on the right here, you'll see some more videos from our channel. Thanks again everybody, and have a great day.